What if I told you that you could get a fully accredited bachelor's degree in cybersecurity alongside top-tier industry certs like Security Plus and 𝐂𝐲𝐴 Plus in just 6 months? No 4-year wait, no sitting in boring lectures, no crippling student debt. If you play your cards right, you can finish this degree in a single term. Today I'm giving you the exact step-by-step speedrun map to hack the Western Governors University cybersecurity degree. We're going to cover the pre-game strategy, the certification gauntlet, and how to avoid the time-wasting traps that cost most students thousands. Start the clock. The competency cheat code. To speedrun 𝐉𝐨𝐢, you have to understand the cheat code, competency-based education. At a normal college, you sit in a chair for 16 weeks, whether you already know the material or not. At 𝐉𝐨𝐢, you pay a flat rate of about $4,600 for a 6-month term. During that term, you can take as many classes as you want. If you study for 2 days, take the final exam, and pass, you are done with the class. Every extra class you finish in that 6 months is essentially free. But if you just enroll right now without a plan, you will fail the speedrun. You have to pre-game. Pre-gaming the system. Step 1 happens before you ever pay 𝐉𝐨𝐢 a dime. You need to max out your transfer credits. 𝐉𝐨𝐢 lets you transfer in up to 75% of your degree, and you are going to use 2 platforms to do it: sophia.org and study.com. First, get a Sophia membership. It's cheap, open book, and unproctored. Knock out all your general education classes here: English, math, intro to IT, and project management. You can realistically finish 10 to 15 classes in a month if you hustle. Next, move to study.com to knock out database foundations and coding. Only when you have maxed out every possible transfer credit do you actually apply to 𝐉𝐨𝐢. By doing this, you start your 𝐉𝐨𝐢 term with the degree already 50 to 60% finished. The 𝐉𝐨𝐢 sprint strategy. Now you enroll. The clock starts and you have 6 months. The secret to the 𝐉𝐨𝐢 sprint is batching. Do not spread your studying out across 8 loose weeks. The fastest students use a tight weekly cycle. Read, practice, and test while the information is fresh. More importantly, stack related courses. Do your networking classes first because you need to understand packets and ports before you touch security. Then take your foundations classes. Never jump randomly between subjects or you'll burn time relearning concepts. Keep your momentum aggressive, but leave a 1-week buffer before the heavy certification exams. The certification gauntlet. Here is the biggest trap of the entire degree. 𝐉𝐨𝐢's cybersecurity program includes real industry standard certifications. Passing the 𝐾ompTIA certification exam is the final exam for those classes. You cannot fake your way through these. Sequence is everything. Do not take Security Plus before Network Plus. Network Plus teaches you how the house is built. Security Plus teaches you how to lock the doors. Use 𝐉𝐨𝐢's provided resources and take free practice exams until you are scoring over 80%. If you fail a cert exam, 𝐉𝐨𝐢 makes you jump through mandatory review hoops to retake it, which completely kills your speedrun momentum. Study hard and pass on the first try. The final boss is your capstone project. It's a massive paper where you design a security solution for a hypothetical business. Don't overthink it. Follow the rubric exactly. Evaluators just want to see that you hit the required points. No fluff. If you follow this map, maxing out your transfer credits, stacking related courses, and attacking the certs in the logical order, walking away with a cybersecurity degree in 6 months is entirely realistic. Drop a comment below if you're starting your 𝐉𝐨𝐢 journey, and hit subscribe for more strategies on hacking your tech career. See you in the next one.